your girl J.Nicole back with another video. Okay, I'm trying to be consistent here, okay? Back to back videos all day, every day. So I've seen this smoked eyeliner today, okay? And it's crazy because I seen it on my Instagram and then I seen it on my YouTube feed and I was like, yo, I gotta do this. I'm finna do this and it's finna pop, you feel me? Like I'm pretty sure other people have done it, but the fact that I just seen it 2 times back to back, I had to do it. I was like, Jamari, come on, bro, you gotta hop on the bandwagon, you feel me? So I wanted to give y'all my recreation of her look. I don't remember her name, I'm so sorry, but I will link her video down below and I will probably insert a picture of what I'm talking about, but it's just like a smoky winged liner look with no eyeshadow. So let's get right into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and you hit that notification bell button so you get an alert every time I upload. And let's get straight into the video. Okay, so she actually used the same paint pot. This is the MAC Soft Ochre Pro Longwear paint pot. And I haven't used this in so long, but I'm going to use that as my base. And I've already put some. I'm just making sure it doesn't crease up on me. I'm going to be using the Moira Sweet Paradise Destiny Eye and Face Palette that I used in a previous video. Make sure you go check that out. I went with this velvet. It's the salmon color, and the video will probably zoom in like right now. We're gonna take it across the edge of the tape onto our lid, but you know, only where you would like put liner at, eyeliner. Okay, and you just want it to be blended out as much as possible. Then we're gonna go in with this black color, this black shadow called Frenzy in the same palette. So I'm just going on the bottom of that shadow. And then you don't have to do this part, but I just want to make sure that you can see that pink. Then what she said was to pick a color that's darker than the pink but lighter than the black. So in this palette, it would be this color called Carefree. This more deeper pink color. She used a gel eyeliner, but I can't find mine, so I'm just using this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Looks like this. In Perversion. And I'm just taking it in my waterline. I'm gonna come back, do my makeup, and then I'll show y'all the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my lashes, and I had to go in with this Black Radiance finishing powder. This is in the color Creamy Bronze, 9202, and I had to put it on my lids of the part that I didn't put any shadow. Like I had to put it along the base because the shadow was transferring onto my eyelid. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I did. So I just went in with this brush. It's a Sonia Kashik large eyeshadow brush, and I just patted into it, and I just went along, you know, the empty space on my eyelid, so it wouldn't transfer as much. So then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I finish up this eye look. I'm going to go ahead and take that same Urban Decay pencil, and I'm just gonna go in my waterline. Nothing special. I'm gonna take the black underneath the liner in my waterline. Dang, I can't talk. And I'm gonna be taking this detail brush by Real Techniques that I used earlier. Then I'm gonna go in with Carefree, that pink, right under that black. I'm not sure what this is. I used it a long time ago, and it's the same liner that has the marker and the little stamps, star stamp. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lip. Where is, oh shit. Going in with my e.l.f. E.l.f. lip plumping gloss in Champagne Glam. And then I'm going to take my NK pencil, liner in coffee. This is the completed look, you guys. I really like doing this. It's something different because it's not really a shadow, but you're using shadows to achieve a different type of look. So I hope you guys like this smoky eyeliner look. Please let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. I hope you do, though. I really hope you do. It took some time. I'm not gonna lie. It's easy, but it takes time. So please let me know how you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.